Hi everyone, I'm Joshua. I'm an accelerated nursing student and I'll be showing you around the Health Sciences building in Midtown Phoenix. The ABSN program is challenging, but the close-knit community makes the experience rewarding. Social spaces throughout campus and these reservable study rooms create the perfect environment for studying and connecting with classmates. At Creighton, we're all about interprofessional education. Our simulation center replicates real-life clinical environments to show the unique expertise each healthcare professional brings to patient care. It's an ideal setting to refine both technical skills and teamwork. As a nursing student, gaining exposure to real-world scenarios before my clinical experiences is essential. In the acute and ambulatory care labs, we use simulated hospital beds, exam tables, and mannequins to apply what we've learned in class to practical situations. In the Norton Foundation Success Center, academic success coordinators, learning specialists, and counselors provide invaluable support for both our academic and personal well-being. Looking off campus, we're conveniently located in the Phoenix Medical Quarter, so we're close to where you'll complete your clinicals here in the Valley. Thanks for tagging along for this tour of campus.